So we took these 19-inch wheels off of the car because they were too tall, which took away the torque that the motor had. So it was just too hard to get rolling. So we put our small steelies on the back for now. And if you have a wheel setup that'll work, 5x112, let us know in the comments. And if you are very local, then maybe we will work out a deal.
So wired in that light right there, that means the car's neutral. And I'm gonna put a little dab on that, because we put it in from the outside. So if someone thinks it's a red Buto, they might accidentally push on it. That should hold it. It's crazy glue. Works mint. It's nighttime, but we're gonna drive it anyways with the new tires. Put it in gear. So we're gonna bring the smart car in for a safety e-test, both. We have a chance now, even though the car's not finished, but hopefully it passes both. We're gonna try. That's about all we can do. We're not eligible for a free Ontario e-test, so we're assuming it doesn't need one. Now for safety.
Sir, what can I do for you today?
Well, I need a safety. Could you do that for me?
A safety on this?
Yes, please.
Ah, sure. What's that? What kind of engine's in this thing?
It's a gasser.
Look at this. Can we open this?
It doesn't need one. Yeah, here, I'll pop the trunk for you.
It doesn't need an e-test?
Why not?
Why?
So,
It just lifts up here.
Because it was a used vehicle.
so this is a smart car.
Yep, it's got a gasser engine in it, a 4-cylinder.
A 4-cylinder what?
FZ1.
So it's a motorcycle engine in this.
Yeah.
So you've got a smart car with a motorcycle engine in it.
Yes, sir.
And you want us to safety this
Yes, sir.
so that you can drive it.
Yep.
You have issues, son.
I sure do.
You have issues. So why did you do this to this kick?
To go fast.
So what are you doing, Brad? You just built it to go fast. That's it.
Yep.
That's it.
Show them the videos and then we'll understand.
All right. Well, I guess we'll have a look at it and see what we can do for you.
Sounds good. Thanks for.
So that clutch is actually working?
Yep.
Seriously?
We're gonna go get the smart car that is on a trailer. We're gonna tow it with the Kubota Ranger.
And we'll hope it doesn't heat up too much. I found the pin. I can't see because the windows are fogged. So we got this eBay special. Parking brake line lock thing. And we got the car running and driving now, so now we just need the parking brake to work. So we're gonna have to put this in beside where the shifter console is gonna be. And then we're gonna have to plumb the lines to the two back tires. And that's about that. That's it for this thing. So we ground the end off to make this fitting the right length now. It had a straight piece on it that wasn't supposed to be there, but the guy at APC couldn't find the right fitting, so he advised I make one. So now we're just gonna take a drill bit. It's just a little bit bigger than what's in there. And we're just gonna taper the top just ever so slightly so that when we put the bubble fitting in with the copper nickel line, it'll seal. So we're gonna weld in this handbrake bracket so that it's solid when we go to use it when we're drifting. So it's welded, and now we're gonna paint it. Excellent. Excellent work. So we're using most of the factory lines, and we're gonna plug this one off by putting a bolt in it with some sealant. And we're just gonna tap into the one line and make these tee together. So I'm gonna have to try this again because that didn't work right there. I gotta get this fitting further down. So I made a thing.
Hey Josh,
Yep.
don't you have to send a brake line up to the brake? Wasn't that the whole point of doing this contraption?
Oh. I guess we're gonna have to redo that.
Yeah.
But I think if we take out this little line here, then we can just put in between, right? So it comes in, goes
Yeah.
up front, comes back, and then goes out to the brakes.
Yeah, easy fix.
It should work.
Yeah.
So we're gonna drop the car down, and we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do on the inside, and we'll be back in a minute. So I don't know which way fluid goes through this, so I filled up both sides, and we're gonna see which side it squirts out of.
But it pressurizes both.
I almost think it comes through this way. So it came through there. That makes it really easy.
Mike, why are you up there?
I'm gonna help from inside the cab. No.
So we're done all down underneath here. Let's go back to the top.
I've had enough of being up high.
You don't want to be high? So everything's all put together. Now we just got to right stuff it in. There we go. So we're done the e-brake, and next will probably be the shifter or the most important cup holders. And this valve is very straight.